think we got a package, London. And we do have a package. All right, stay ready. Watch, London. Boom. Ooh, it's cold out there. Wonder what this could be. The hedge. Oh, my back. Hey everyone, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So as you can see, me in London, we dragged this box in. I am not even sure what I ordered, if it's for the kids or if it's something for me. And as you can hear me hollering with my back. So I hope everyone is enjoying the faux fall that we are having so far. Today is December the 7th. So I guess we are doing a quick unboxing. Do not open with sharp objects. What? Huh? Well, how are you supposed to get the box open? If I think this is what I think it is, I don't know why they're saying do not open with sharp objects. Because it's nothing soft in here. And keep in mind, this video is not sponsored. I just like to come on and show you these deals that I find for me and my household, things that will help me with every day-to-day chores, or just fabulous finds that I find at a reasonable price, and I like to pass it on to you guys. So if this is something that you're interested in and seeing me do these type of videos, don't forget to hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, of course, leave me a lovely comment, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe. That helps my little channel out and lets me know that you are interested in my content. So yeah, this is exactly what I thought it was. London is going to have a field day with this mess of phones. So I gotta hurry and get all this stuff out. And it looks like it was crackling in the box, so I'm gonna have to get the vacuum out too. So yay, I finally was able to find one at an affordable price. So I'm gonna get everything out the box, and London is going to help by sniffing. This is heavy. By sniffing and smelling everything, of course. So instead of trying to lift this right now, because I am having some seriously muscle spasms right now in my back. And I was going to save this for Christmas, but I need it now because I have so much stuff that needs to get transported from room to room, etc. And I'm going to show you what it is in just 1 second. Let me just get this box open. Okay, y'all, as you can see, I had some difficulties and my husband came in and we had to take it all apart and redo it. But we got it put together. I like it. I'm 5'9". I didn't have my husband stand up to it, but it's got to be at least 6 foot, you think? Yeah, it's got to be at least over 6 foot as far as the height situation. And it has the built-in things like when you hang your clothes up right here, and then a lot of space. I was asking my husband, do you think I could push one of the grandkids in it? I don't think so because, I mean, it's sturdy. Let's see. Ooh, we got a little 360 action. Hold on, y'all. I'm going to put Lundy in here and let's see how it work out. Come here, Lundy. We got Lundy in the basket. Right, Lundy? And let's push him through because I know this is what my grandkids are going to do when they get here. Especially if my grandson comes, he's going to want to push the doggy. So, pretty cool so far. I got rugs on my kitchen floor, so I am struggling just a little bit. Let's see, we're gonna go to the washroom. This is my wash mudroom area in my little office, but my laundry is right here, and it is rolling pretty decent now. Lundy's still in there. He's holding on for dear life. So we're just gonna flip the... I can't wait to get my barn doors put up here. It's gonna be fabulous. Work in progress still. When you own a house, you're always coming up with new ideas. Okay, so ooh, we do have clothes in there, and I didn't even know I had clothes in there. Oh no. And they have soured. All right, so we are moving out of the washroom. Now, I can't get through there. I would if I did not have London's playpen. That's where he stays when I have to go to the doctors and stuff. I don't leave him out because he's still a puppy and he gets into lots of stuff, and I don't want nothing to happen to my dog while I am at the store running errands, picking up medications, etc. So this is the pile of clothes I was telling y'all in the beginning of the video. No judgment. Like I said, I was in the hospital for 2 days and then I had hand surgery. So I couldn't use my right hand for like a whole month. And then here is another basket of clean clothes. But the good thing about it, I'm gonna wheel my walker over and throw all those clothes on the bed. And then when I fold them, I'm gonna utilize the basket. Y'all see Lundy in the washroom. He's still in there trying to figure out how to get out. And that is a good place to keep him locked up in there. Like when I'm vacuuming and stuff. So he's like look a little nervous. So we're gonna come on back over here. Turn this heat off. It's hot in here. Hey Lundy. He's like, get me out. What did I do? Why am I in here? You're not in trouble, baby. All right, so we're gonna go this way to the other side of the kitchen, wheel through, and it is perfect. I just keep a lot of rugs down in the house, but I do have all hardwood floors, so it would really go well if I didn't have all these throw rugs, but it's gonna work. So I got to get all of that, which is all the stuff that Santa dropped off early for the G kids, and I got to get it into this basket. I got to move London's playpen out the way so I can be able to roll through, then roll through my bathroom, and then roll through my closet. So I can get all this stuff hidden. Excuse me, before the kids come. So thank you for stopping over and watching me try to assemble it. And then my husband came in and finished it. But this is a really good product. It is just like in the store. It is really a heavy frame. You don't have the cheap wheels. These wheels are not tiny. The wheels are actually really big. And if you don't like these wheels, you could probably go to Lowe's and get bigger ones. But they do the 360 just like so. And they have a lock on that one. And you can lock it on this one. Very nice basket size. You can pile high, probably get like 2 or 3 loads in there. And then again, you have the 2 little circles that keeps the hangers from sliding off. $51. I may be ordering another one because you can't go wrong. You can have one for dirty and one for clean, and keep it moving. So I may just get another one just to have for me to move stuff from, you know, the front room into my room, or dishes that I can't lift, put it in the basket and wheel it on out to the garage. And just keep one, you know, one for the laundry and then one for moving stuff throughout the house. I think that is a really good idea. So me and Lundy will see you guys in another video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave us a lovely comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you later. Say bye, Lundy. Say bye. All right, second bag. I am loading of gifts. This is really helping me. Get you one. Go down in the description box. You'll see the link. And as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. I'll see y'all in another video. Y'all stay blessed and happy holidays from my family to yours. Bye-bye.